You might not realize it, but every single day, there are small habits silently destroying your looks, your confidence, and the way people see you. These are the things that make you less attractive without you even noticing. Let's fix that, one habit at a time. The first one is posture. It's not just about standing tall, it's about how you carry yourself in life. When you slouch, you look smaller, weaker, unsure. But when you stand up straight, chest out, chin up, you send a message. I'm confident, I respect myself. And people can feel that energy instantly. The second habit that kills your attractiveness is ignoring grooming. You don't have to be perfect, but messy hair, uneven beard, dry skin all send the same signal: you don't care. Attractive men pay attention to the small details. A clean haircut, a nice scent, moisturized skin. It shows effort, and effort is attractive. 3. Not getting enough sleep. No skincare routine can hide dark circles, and no amount of coffee can fake true energy. When you're tired, you don't look mysterious. You look drained. Go to bed early, wake up early, and let your body repair itself. Sleep like you respect your future self. For negativity, you might not see it, but people feel it. To complain, to judge, constant sarcasm. It pushes people away. The most attractive people have calm energy. They don't bring others down. They lift the room up. Be that person who radiates peace and quiet confidence. 5. Not moving enough. You don't need to be shredded. You just need to move. Stretch, walk, lift, run. Do something that reminds your body it's alive. Movement builds posture, energy, and discipline. The 3 things every attractive man needs. Energy attracts energy. 6. Mindless scrolling. The more you scroll, the more disconnected you become from real life. You start comparing yourself to filters, fake perfection, and it kills your motivation. Instead of watching others live, build your own story. Scroll less, live more. The last one, living without purpose. You can fix your hair, your body, your clothes. But if you wake up with no direction, it all fades. Purpose gives your life gravity. It's what makes people respect you without even knowing why. Set a small goal, chase something that matters. Because nothing looks better than a man who knows where he's going. Purpose gives you power. Every habit you change changes the way you look, feel, and live. Fix one habit this week: posture, grooming, sleep, and watch your energy shift. You don't have to be perfect. What matters is that you keep showing up, learning, and improving, even just 1% every day. That's how real change happens. Because true attractiveness isn't about luck, it's about growth. Keep growing, keep evolving. Every day is a new chance to become a better version of yourself. This is Next Level Male.